What's up, YouTube? All right, we're going to sacrifice this bezel here to teach you guys how to repair those pesky damages to the glossy G-Shock watches. Let's go. All right, guys, if you've ever had the unfortunate event where you've damaged your bezel by either scraping it against something, bumping it against a brick wall or something, you'll notice you get these white marks or damages or blemishes on your bezel, on your bands or whatever, on these glossy G-Shock watches. Well, there's this easy solution on how to fix that, and it makes it look a lot better than it originally did when you damaged it. So let me show you guys how to do it. Like I said, I'm going to sacrifice this bezel here for the purpose of educating our YouTube community. And you'll see how easy it is to repair this. You'll be like, oh my God, let's get started. Let's go. All right, so that was a complete fail. I couldn't get the watch bezel to scratch up. I actually damaged it, but it didn't. You see, I scratched it instead of actually causing those white blemishes, which was my goal. Darn bezel is tougher than I thought. But I actually just got this. I bought it recently. And I noticed that this one actually does have some. See that? Right there. Boom and boom. That's exactly what I was trying to accomplish with the other watch, and I wasn't able to do it. So I'm going to do two things here. I'm going to clean this up, and we'll show you guys how to restore this watch. The goal is to make those disappear. Now, you can't just clean this and wash it and it'll go away. You have to actually do something. But it'll make it look pretty much brand new. You can see this watch is pre-owned. The owner used it a few times. You can see there. So we're going to clean it up. And then we're going to fix it so we can remove all those things right there. Let's go. All right, so now that we cleaned it, just a clean little brush, regular hand soap, body soap, what do you want to call it? Look how gorgeous it looks already. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Look at that. Very nice. So it's a little wet, but that's not a big problem. A little wet. I just literally just washed it, so look at that. And then the back, look at the difference. How clean and beautiful that looks. See that? Always microfiber. Always microfiber. All right, so now the topic at hand is the last part of it. You can see that those blemishes there did not go away. See? See that? Right there and right there. This is huge. This is the biggest problem people have with these watches, the glossy G-Shocks. Is that you have these these scuffs. You get scuffed, and people, you know, they don't know how to treat it, but you got to be careful how to do it. There is a solution. It's a very simple one, but you got to be very careful. All right, all you need is this: a Q-tip. Okay, a Q-tip and some alcohol. All right, but you have to be very careful not to put too much, because what you pretty much are doing is you're removing the coat, the top coat of that buff. All right, so you're gonna use the alcohol, you're gonna dab it inside, dab it gently. My hands are a little dirty from I'm cleaning multiple watches. So just dip it in there, just a little bit. All right, you don't want it soaked, you don't want it dripping. You want to control the flow. Make sure that's only just a little bit in there. All right, see, it's barely wet. It's not soaked, it's just barely wet. All right, and then once you have that, you're gonna pretty much only the part that has the scuff, all right? And like magic, it will disappear. So this is no optical illusion. You see I washed it already and it didn't come off. Look how fast this works. And again, you want to gently touch it, not too much. Watch how, like magic, it disappears. All right, and then follow that up with a microfiber. And voila. Now here, the other side, the bezel there. Again, gently. Only the areas that are affected. And there you go. Gone. You can correct it like that. Now, let me show you another example here. Here's another watch. The watch is in excellent condition. You can see, right? See that? Great condition, but you'll see here on the side of the band, for some reason, it has that scuff. So we'll do the same thing. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna still use this one. And you'll see how it removes it. It's a little dry now, but it's still a little bit of wet. Still wet. And just like that, it's gone. See? Gone. All right. I got some more right there. Right? Doesn't come off. And let's see if that works. There you have it. Look at that. How great it looks. Almost brand new. Almost brand new. All right, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Helped you restore your watch, make it look almost like new, and you could keep on enjoying it. All right, guys. Till next time. This is Chicago. Holla at your boys. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.